Meaning of ditransitive.
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 Ditransitive. Ditransitive is a term used in linguistics to describe verbs that take two objects, a direct object and an indirect object. The direct object is the thing being acted upon, while the indirect object is the recipient or beneficiary of the action. For example, in the sentence "she gave him the book," book is the direct object and him is the indirect object. Ditransitive verbs often express actions that involve giving, receiving, or transferring something from one entity to another. Understanding ditransitive verbs can help clarify the relationships between objects in a sentence.